Hello everybody, welcome back to my kitchen. It is me, SoulfulT. Hope you guys are having a great Tuesday. I have something that I want to show. Okay, I'm recording myself, guys. So if I be a little bit off, I apologize. I have something I want to show you guys, which is my aprons. Yes, let me see if I can get this right for you. Let me move it down some. I don't think you'll be able to see the whole thing. Can you see it? I have these aprons that, oh my goodness. This video is going out to Cornell D. Hey Cornell, he's the person who's a big fan of mine. He watched my videos. Thank you so much. And he actually made this for me. And you know, there's so many good people out there in the world. So Cornell D, because I don't know if you want me to say your whole name, so I'm going to say Cornell D. You know who you are. This video goes out to you, honey. I'm making stuffed salmon, and it is possible because of him for these aprons to be brought to you guys. People have been asking me a long time for aprons, and you know, things happen when it's supposed to happen. So guess what? White or black, with my big old face sitting here, and I love it. The straps are adjustable. The strings are nice and long. You can actually just do it yourself. Look, I'm tying it up myself. Yeah, I'm starting to sweat. It's pretty warm in here. And you can just do it yourself, tie it up, and there you go. Now, if you like one of these aprons, all the information is going to be in the description above. My website is down right now. It's being revamped. So you can't get it through the website. But if you are interested in the apron, you can get it through SoulfulT products at gmail.com. Just leave your name, your address, how many aprons you want, what color, white or black. These are two colors we're working with right now. And you can pay through PayPal. The aprons are $26 plus shipping. And shipping is $3.75. Only in the U.S. for now. U.S. only now. Yeah, so the link is going to be above. Guys, I love these aprons. So, without that being said, let's get started and make some stuff salmon. Look, I'm coming at you. I'm coming at you. I'm coming at you. Okay, so we're doing stuffed salmon my way. I love salmon and I love the stuff. So let me show you guys how I do it my way. Okay, right here I have some shrimps that's raw. And I'm going to cut them up. I have about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 shrimps I'm going to cut up. I have some whipped cream cheese right here. You can use the block cream cheeses. You got to get it soft. I have some Old Bay seasoning. Guys, for this recipe, I wouldn't, recommend the imitation crab meat. This is real crab meat, claw crab meat. You can use claw lump. I have some pepper, garlic powder. I already said lemons, right?
No.
Oh, some lemons and some regular old breadcrumbs. So I'm going to make my mix up. And of course, I got 2 beautiful pieces of pink salmon. I got to drain some more water off of them because I rinsed them and everything, guys. I'm draining the water off. Okay. I'm going to cut up my shrimps because it's going in my mixture. And you can cut them as big or as fine as you want. I should already have them cut up. I'm sorry I didn't. Oh, I forgot my parsley flakes. Yeah, some parsley flakes going in here. You can do fresh or, the sprinkle. I'm doing dry parsley flakes. As much as I love parsley flakes, I always forget to buy them fresh. And that is a great staple into this meal. Okay, so. And as many shrimps as you want. It depends on how many. I'm only making 2. So it depends on how many you're making, okay? That's good to go. Go in my whipped cream cheese. Yes, I'm using the whole thing of this. Even though I'm only making 2, right?
Oh, so you need a whole thing for 2?
I like cheese for mine. You don't have to use the whole thing. Use half. Crab meat.
That smells fresh. It don't stink.
Oh, yes. It's good.
Stink.
Got that crab meat up in there with that cheese, y'all. Come on now. Some pepper. Some garlic powder. I'm not using salt because I'm using Old Bay and it's kind of salty. A little bit of Old Bay. Not that much. I'll say about maybe 4 tablespoons of breadcrumbs. I'm gonna set this to the side, and I got my thing squeezing me. Some lemon juice. Ooh, I got it turned on the wrong way. I'm only using like half. This is a half a lemon, guys. And I'm gonna stir it up. This is how I make my sauce. It's quick and it's easy. It's my stuff. Now, with this, it's so versatile. I'm looking for my parsley, guys. You can add spinach to this. If you use frozen spinach, don't forget to let it defrost and drain all the water off of it as much as possible. Why can't I find my parsley flakes? Let me cut and I'll be right back. Okay, guys. Found my parsley flakes. Yay! Again, you can use fresh parsley flakes. I can't tell you how much put in here. You guys know I just love my green, right? But you can use fresh parsley flakes. And again, you can use spinach in this. Remember, to use frozen spinach, just throw it out and just make sure that you drain them juices off that spinach. Okay? Drain that off. And as much seasoning and stuff as you like with your, I think it's need a little bit more of this. Okay. My filling is ready. Again, I have raw crab, I have crab meat, I have whipped cream cheese, I have parsley flakes, I have a half a lemon, pepper, garlic powder, Old Bay seasoning. Yeah. And parsley.
It smells good too.
It smells really good. So these are my steaks. Salmon steaks right here. To me, they're not big enough to stuff. So I'm going to put them on top, place them on top of each other. But if you guys get some big enough to stuff, or do what you do. I'll put a little bit of Old Bay seasonings. If you don't have Old Bay, you can always use this. You guys just use some salt and pepper. I substitute my my salt with my Old Bay. Okay. Now, I got a piece of butter. I got my skillet going. I got it nice and hot because I'm going to sear this before I put it in a 350 oven. 350 for 20 to 25 minutes. Okay, back over here, Michael. This is going to do. I layered the bigger piece. Yeah, I didn't make too much stuff. That's okay. I'm going to the grocery store later. You can put this up and put this in the refrigerator, guys, and get you some more. Oh, well, it look like tuna fish, don't it? Because I didn't use lump. I can't hear nothing you saying.
Oh.
You can talk, Michael.
No, it's okay.
Okay. This is going to melt up, guys. Put as much as you want in the middle. Then you take that right there. Place it on top. Look at that.
I got ice cream sandwich.
I'm going to put this in my pan. I'm going to get the syrup on the bottom of that. Yes. Let's move this to the side. Let me wash my hands and we'll be right back. I'm about to, okay guys, I'm flipping it. Ooh. You gotta help use your hands, that's okay. And I'm placing some lemons down.
Oh, fancy.
Down around there like that. And this is going to go in the oven on 350 for 20 to 25 minutes, okay? That's just like this. Now, if you don't have an iron skillet, of course, you could transfer it to a cookie sheet with some aluminum foil, spray aluminum foil, maybe with some type of pan or anything, so it won't stick. I'm doing mine right here. And when it goes in the oven, all that cheese that we use and stuff, it's just going to be all melted up and everything. So, guys, this is about to go in. I'm about to cut this off. This is going in my oven on 350. My oven is already preheated. Make sure you preheat your oven while you're doing all of this. And again, the extra stuff you have left over, you can save it up to maybe a week and use it for some more salmon. I'm going to buy some more salmon when I go to the grocery store today. I'm going to make some more. This is going in my oven on 350. Be back when it's done. Salmon is done. Cook for 20 minutes. There you go, right there, look. It's nice. It's flaky. It's pink. But I made some extra shrimp. Sauteed them. Put them on top. Yes. This is a must in your home.
And you got some mimosas on the side.
I wish I did have some mimosas. And I'm just going to add, look at this. My shrimp I want to say, they got too many. Now, guys, if you have some mozzarella cheese or anything, I'm going to hit some of this butter and stuff on. If you have some mozzarella cheese or anything like that, you most definitely can add extra cheese to this. I didn't have mozzarella cheese, but the cream cheese filling and everything in this just make this taste terrific. It's nice, it's flaky, it's pink. Look at this. Ooh. Look at that, guys. And look at this.
Good. You like it?
That is so good. You can taste the creaminess of the cheese and the crab meat that's in it. This tastes so good. And until my next video, guys, I hope you guys like. Remember, this is how I make it in my house. You can make yours more cheesier. I like it this way. Add some extra mozzarella cheese when you're cooking it. But it's good. Until my next video. And then cooked it like 3 hours more all together. It cooked about 4 hours. The meat falling off the bone. The beans are tender.